The kit comes with a set of fabrics, embellishments, and pins that make it easy for kids to create a mini clothing collection that is real and tangible. The mannequin is a great way for the kids to visualize their designs, and because of its small size, kids find it very easy to cut up fabrics and experiment. It requires very little fabric and embellishment, so it gives kids that freedom to take risks with their creation, giving them lots of room to think outside the box.
I looked up Selena Gomez's dresses and then I went to images and then I just saw a bunch of the ones that I just said. I was thinking more of a free flow dress that not too tight, not too loose, to create like a flowy sensation.
Really poofy dresses and red and sparkles.
Sophia, Ella, and Athena created a collection of red carpet dresses for a teen celebrity, Selena Gomez. The Fashion Design Kit, along with the At Home Club membership, helps kids stay creatively engaged beyond our classrooms.